The 2023 Toyota Prius starts a new fifth generation thoroughly redesigned and updated inside and out. Every Prius now rides on the next evolution of Toyota's TNGA-C platform, which makes it a leaner but more rigid eco-friendly compact with a wider stance and lower driving position. The new Toyota Prius has a wind-cheating profile with an aggressive rake to the windscreen and a gently curving roofline. It looks surprisingly sporty, particularly thanks to the ultra-slim LED lights at the front. Toyota says they resemble a hammerhead shark-style look. There are full-width LED combination lights at the rear too. The clean and minimalistic lines are most striking at the sides. There's a simple crease that begins at the bottom of the front doors, moves rearwards through the back doors, and joins up with the angled cut of the rear bumper. The sleek rear hatch now features bold Prius lettering. Inside, the all-new Toyota Prius features what Toyota calls the island architecture that offers a spacious interior with a cockpit that makes it easy to concentrate on driving. The inside gets black tones throughout, and the instrument panel uses Toyota's first illuminated warning system. The hybrid gets the Toyota Safety Sense linked feature, which alerts the driver to detected objects through flashing lights before the audible warnings. Apart from this, Toyota offers a host of safety features to make the Prius a safe car for passengers, pedestrians, and the environment. The front uses a highly rigid and lightweight MacPherson strut type, while the rear uses a double wishbone type that achieves both high steering stability and ride comfort while also expanding luggage space. The Toyota Prius gets two different powertrains in Japan. The first combines a 2.0-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor and a lithium-ion battery pack. This powertrain is capable of churning out 220 horsepower of peak power. Toyota claims that this powertrain has 50% more EV driving range than the previous model. The second hybrid powertrain comes employing the automaker's series parallel hybrid system. It is available in 1.8-liter and 2-liter engines and is capable of producing as much as 193 horsepower of peak power. It also gets the automaker's E4 all-wheel drive system that ensures better performance on low-friction road surfaces and greater stability during cornering.